Prep Test 67, Game 1, Question 4. If N speaks on the topic of friendship, which of the following must be false? So we've got our limited options up on the screen here. Let's see which one applies. In option number 1 here, N does not speak on the topic of friendship, so we don't have to consider this one. In option number 2, down here, we can assign friendship to N, and that gives us our FG combo. So we've got that one wrapped up. That means that this right here has to be our FH combo. We've got that one wrapped up. And the remaining 3 need to be our L's. And we're not really sure which of them is our H or our J, but there's only one that can be our LG. So this has to be our G. Okay, so we've figured out quite a bit here. Which must be false? Well, is M a geology major? No, he's not, so this must be false. This is looking pretty good. But let's check the rest. M a history major? No, that's true. O a geology major? That's true. P a history major? That could be true or could be false, but we're not sure yet, and regardless, it's not a must. And lastly, R a history major. Yet again, could be true, could be false, it's not a must. A is the only sure bet.